how to find the missing microphone button on the Samsung keyboard for Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to scroll down and in here tap on General Management. Next, tap on the Samsung keyboard settings and then we scroll down. Then tap on voice input. Now make sure it is not set to none. If it is set to none, then you can see that the keyboard will not show the microphone button. So in here, go in and tap on voice input and choose either Samsung voice input or Google Voice typing. And after that, make sure you tap on the back key to save the changes. Then we can now open up an app and launch the keyboard. And here you can see it will show the microphone button. This is the Samsung voice input. And that's it. That is how you can bring it back or show it. Here I will switch it to Google Voice input and you can see the microphone here will open up Google Voice input. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.